YouTube, what it do, man? Bruh, I'm about slick mad with this video because I scratched my rims up. Like, have y'all ever had to swerve out the way to avoid somebody from hitting you and then you hit a curve? Look, bro. Just the aftermath, man. Look at that. Yeah. Not just one tire. I mean rim, but this one too. Can y'all see that? So yeah, man. But I think I found me a little temporary fix though. Wheel scratch, wheel fit scratch, whatever they say. But yeah, basically you gotta sand it down, clean it with an alcohol pad, then touch it up with some paint. Can y'all see that? So that's what we about to do in this video. Alright, about to open this. So I gotta apply masking tape around the scratch area without covering up the scratch area. Alright, Nancy, I gotta sand it down with a block. Gotta wipe down with an alcohol pad. Alright, y'all, the first wheel is done, so I'm about to move to the second wheel. Alright, y'all, I'm done painting over the wheel, so now I just gotta let everything dry. And then I'll show y'all the finishing results. So, until then, peace. What's good, y'all? I'm in the car right now, and it's been about 4 hours since the paint dried. So, as y'all can tell by the video, the car was very dirty, so I'm about to go through the car wash right now. And that's really gonna let us know if that paint is any good, because if it comes off during this car wash, then that product is trash. Anyway, I'll catch y'all at the car wash. Alright, we just got out of the car wash. Let's see if the paint stayed on the rim. Let's see. It's a little darker here. Hold on, let me get my flashlight. It looked like it stayed on there. Let's check the other one. Yep, the paint's still on this one too. So, I guess it's a good product, but we're gonna see how long it lasts. So, but that's gonna be the end of this video, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Until the next one, peace.